Saint Francine. For the bands your vase line begin, girl map the drums, yeah. Selector, turn up the frequency. This are no regular sound, this are the special. Straight from the heart of the island. It no believable how the rhythm take control. Yeah man, hear me now. Early morning, sun arise over Kingston town. Any negative energy, we left it out. We no want it grown. Clean up the space, make the vibrations pure. Now the temple of life, we find the cure of the most high. And me worship every single day. Him a guide me steps and clear the way. Looking at your eyes, girl, your beauty so deep. A promise of love when me forever go and keep. Love, we get the flow. Cause the vibe exotic, sweet like a mango tree. Feel the breeze a blow from the Caribbean Sea. Singing like a hammock, moving to and fro. In a this island, we watch the garden grow. We dip on a vessel sailing far away, living all the worries of the yesterday. Step out a road tonight, the street them a light. Energy high, we shining so bright. Me see the stars a form some holy letters in the sky. Writing out with destiny, we never going die. Deep on your finger show the rings, them a sparkle. In this dark world, you and me miracle. Be journey, it's a spirit thing. Hear what the melody and the bass line are ring. We're in the flow, cause the vibe exotic, sweet like a mango tree. Feel the breeze a blow from the Caribbean Sea. Swinging like a hammock, moving to and fro. In this island where the watch the garden grow. We dip on a vessel sailing far away, living all the worries of the yesterday. So let the wind blow, the sail of the ship. One love, one heart on this exotic trip. No more letters of sadness, only words of grace. Me see the whole universe in your face. Keep the swing in your step, keep the fire in your soul. We have the map, we have the control. It's an outer road mission, far from the crowd. Tell the whole world, sing it out loud. Unbelievable, exotic cruise. Keep swinging, yeah man. Line of Judah guide. Blessings.